following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Government officials have confirmed that an annual purge will take place on November 19th at 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The activation of the purge sanction will occur between the hours of 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time to 7 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time on November 20th. It is believed that this purge will commence within the next 7 hours. Do not panic. The purge will give you time to panic. If you wish to opt out, you may shelter in place. Tune into local radio stations for more information on this situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test, I repeat, this is not a test. You are advised to listen to this alert as this pertains to a national event that is commencing. The emergency alert system has been activated to inform the citizens of the United States that the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government is commencing. Weapons of Class 4 or lower have been authorized to be used during the purge. All other weapons are restricted. Government officials of ranking 10 or higher are granted immunity of the purge and should not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, treason, and arson, will be legal for 12 consecutive hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until 7 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, on November 20th, when this purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers, and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is an emergency action termination. All clear. The purge has concluded, and all residents can exit their shelters. Please be advised that there is severe damage in the area, which included damaged shelters, dead bodies, and carnage on the streets. The National Guard is unavailable to rescue people from damaged shelters. If your shelter was damaged or destroyed, call 911 and head to the nearest military base, if possible. I repeat, the purge has concluded, and all residents can exit their shelters at this time. All TV and radio stations are allowed to return to their regularly scheduled programming. Emergency broadcasts will be handed over to state and local officials. This concludes our operations under the emergency alert system. Regular programming will now resume. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency.